Xiaomi Watch S4 41M. Main features are Xiaomi Watch S4 41M is a more compact, lightweight version of the standard 47M Xiaomi Watch 4. It is designed for those who prefer a smaller profile on the wrist while maintaining premium features like a stainless steel frame and advanced health tracking. Key specifications: display 1.32-inch AMO, LAD 466 by 466 resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, up to 15 nits, HBM brightness, great for outdoor 352 ppi. Dimensions and build 41.2 by 41.2 by 9.5 excluding protrusions, 32 grams without strap, stainless steel frame / bezel 5 ATM water resistance, suitable for swimming, battery 320 mAh, up to 8 days under light usage, 4 days normal use, 3 days with always on display enabled, impressive. For its size and features: health and fitness, heart rate, SPO, blood oxygen, stress monitoring, advanced sleep tracking, including respiratory health and improvement plans. Skin temperature, over 150 sports modes, built-in GPS/GNSS supports multiple systems like GPS Galileo, GLONASS, BDS. Other features: Bluetooth 5.4 or similar, NFC availability varies by region/model, gesture controls in some modes, customizable watch faces, integration with Xiaomi ecosystem, e.g. Ma Hyper OS for deeper phone connectivity, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, barometer, ambient light sensor. Strap options: interchangeable, 18mm lug width. Common variants include fluor rubber, black, mint green, leather, or premium Milanese, sunset gold/special editions, colors: black, mint green, white, sunset gold.